Yeah. They won't let me talk. They just won't let me talk. Hi everyone. Welcome to Kalimpong. Hey, good morning everyone. So right now we are in Kalimpong and this is the third day of our trip. We first went to Sikkim and stayed there in Gangtok, went to Changu Lake. So those were the 2 days. We took a shared taxi in Gangtok from the shared taxi stand. I'm just forgetting the name. Maybe if I remember I'll just write down here. We had to pay 200 I guess, like for coming to Kalimpong. It was around 4 hours journey, as we have only 1 day in Kalimpong. So we are going to see the sightseeing around and we're leaving right now. Let's meet there. This is the Durpin monastery in the background and it's like no entry for, so we can't enter inside here. We have to see the monastery from outside. This is our first viewpoint. The structure is actually very nice. Here is a place where the 3 rivers meet and this is called the Jalepla viewpoint. It's actually quite a bit of foggy weather here, so maybe you won't be able to see the rivers. There are the rivers, like one is there, another one is here and the other one is there. The 3 rivers are Tista, Riang and Raili.
यार अंदर अलाउ नहीं है।
क्यों हॉन्टेड है बोल के कुछ हुआ ऐसे पकड़ा गया कि ये ऐसे नाम है बस?
नहीं पहले
था
बंगला था, अभी तो
अभी कोई घुसता नहीं है।
नहीं।
Interesting, काफी interesting. Oh, that far away place is the Deola Hill. This is the golf course. This is also another viewpoint of here. What's wrong?
I want to play golf.
What? Let's go to another point. Deolo are the hills where you can actually come for paragliding also. These are the counters where you can book for the paragliding. I was actually checking the paragliding rates. So if you want to fly in the medium air for like 20 to 40 minutes, you'll have to pay around like 3,000. But if you want to fly like high, you have to give like 5,000 for the 20 to 30 minutes time. Okay, so this is the Deolo Park, the Deolo Hills. Let's go. As far as I can see, there's not much anything here. Just a normal basic park. ठंडा है यार, बहुत ठंडा है इधर. This is the Sherpa viewpoint and there's this monastery behind. Let's go and view another point. The Hanuman Mandir, which is another viewpoint of here. There are a lot of like small places where you can sit and enjoy the view, just like that. So sham bhi ho gaya. That's the setting sun. The view from here is really breathtaking. This This is another of the sightseeing. Let's go inside and have a look at it. This place looks very beautiful. It's very nicely decorated, I would say. Maybe you are not getting that it's quite past evening, but yes, the evening aarti has just started. Maybe you can hear the sound. Maybe we are not allowed inside, or maybe we can. Let's see. We had to open our shoots down there and have to come here. So the aarti is actually going on. We are back after the sight.
We are back.
This is the guy who made the sound. Anyway, but after the sightseeing, so we are back to the marketplace again. We are going to try the local golgappas, fuchkas we call it. So we call it the fuchkas, and we are going to go and try that. Go and try that and see how do they make.
Bye.
These guys are dying to have the fuchkas. Good lord.
भैया 10 का कितना? 4. ये 3 to the finish.
Okay.
How is the puchka? You have to say it good.
Hello, baby.
Hi.
That's the night Kalimpong. So serene. The ambience of the cafe is really very blissful. Have to say it's blissful. See, you have this thing dangling in front of you. It's a nice cafe. It's like very cute. Very artsy. Totally justifying its name. We came out of a restaurant at around 9:30 p.m. The city is actually asleep. Really, see, there's no one. Like really only a few folks walking here and there. Till now, good night. Good morning, people. So today we are leaving, and let me show you the view outside our room. That's the view outside the room. Really nice. We have train today at 8 p.m. and we have to straight go to NJP. थोड़ा बहुत कुछ तो ब्रेकफास्ट कर लिए, बट लाइक लिविंग दीज ब्यूटीज आर लाइक रियली सो मच अ प्रॉब्लम. अमेजिंग, द व्यूज आर अमेजिंग. देयर आर डैंडलियंस फ्लाइंग आउटसाइड माई विंडो. इधर डेफिनेटली पैराग्लाइडिंग भी होता है, रिवर राफ्टिंग भी होता है, बट मेरे को दोनों ही करने का बहुत मन था, बट लाइक ड्यू टू द शॉर्टेज ऑफ टाइम वी नॉट एबल टू. बट कोई नहीं, करेंगे आगे. Trip is really like unforgettable. For sure I'm gonna return back to the like hills. If you like this video, please go and hit the like button and don't forget to share this video. कमेंट करके बताओ यार कि तुम कभी कालिम्पोंग गए कि नहीं. तो अगर गए तो what is your favorite memory? तो अगर कुछ एडवेंचर हुआ क्या आपके साथ. With that note, stay well and stay safe till we meet again. Bye.